how to download Fortnite on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Fortnite on your iPhone so that you can play it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So luckily, Fortnite is now available in the App Store on our iPhone. So all we need to do is swipe from right to left. So you get to the app library, select the app library, and just type app. From there, select App Store. Once the App Store opens up, just go to search. And then at the top, just search Fortnite. Once you search it, you'll see Fortnite come up. Go ahead and select it. And where mine has the little cloud icon, it may say Get for you. So go ahead and select either Get or the cloud icon, and it'll go ahead and start downloading and installing Fortnite on your iPhone. Now, it may come up and ask you to enter your Apple ID password to verify your identity. So go through that, and then it will start downloading. Now, Fortnite is pretty large, so give it some time to download. Then once it's done downloading, it'll say Open. Go ahead and select Open. Let it load, and then it's going to start downloading the full Fortnite app. Now that is going to be 4.25 gigabytes. So you may want to have your phone charging during this period. I recommend allowing notifications here. If I select maybe later, it's going to tell me that I can enable it to download in the background if I enable the notifications. So if you want to keep using your phone without having to leave it on this screen, just enable the notifications and then you'll be able to do anything on your phone that you want to. So I'm just going to let this download and then we'll come back. So once it's done downloading, it'll then install Fortnite. And now we just need to sign into our Epic Games account. So I'm going to do that, select that. It's then going to open up Epic Games in the browser where we can sign in using either our PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo's account, or we can just use an email address. Keep in mind, if you don't already have an account, you can also scroll down a little bit and select Create an Account. So go ahead and sign into your account. Then it'll start logging you in to your Fortnite account. Then you can start playing Fortnite on your iPhone using the official Fortnite app. The first time you play it, it might be a little laggy just because it's trying to cache everything, but after that, it should run pretty smooth and you'll be able to enjoy it just like you would on any other device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.